If you prefer nothing short of stunning, Trafalgar Square, Portsmouth is just the place for you. Nestled in Middle Street, this stellar abode offers a fine selection of en-suites and studios to opt from. Picture yourself in a well-ventilated room with windows, lounging in a cozy bed with a side table, ample storage space, and achieving your academic goals with a dedicated study desk and free high-speed Wi-Fi. Plus, their well-fitted private bathrooms and fully equipped kitchens are sure to upgrade your stay to the zenith of convenience. Laundry hassles are a thing of the past, as this stellar abode features on-site laundry facilities. And when it's time to achieve your academic potential, University of Portsmouth and TEG English Portsmouth are both close by. Plus, staying here means you're literally in the middle of all action, with an array of seaside restaurants, cafes, and pubs being nearby, making your life nothing short of perfect. On weekends, conveniently shop for groceries from Spar and Tesco Express, both located at a short stroll, or hop on a bus or catch a train to explore the beauty of Portsmouth. So does it seem like the real deal? If yes, head straight to amberstudent.com to book your perfect stay at Trafalgar Hall.